Honorable Chief Minister of Mukaya, Sri Conrad Yesang Masa, Honorable MLA of Nongstoin, Sri Gabriel Walang, Honorable MLA of Martin Road, Sri Methodist Takal, Lengdo of Himanongstoin, and former MLA Sri Magdilan Rosat, Sri E. Karmalki, Secretary Mining and Geology Department, SP of West Khasi Hills District Vikram Marak, Director DMR PD Sangma, Senior Officers Committee, Felicitation Program organized by the project proponents, mining lease holder for coal. When Secretary Mining and Geology Department Sir Karmalki informed me that the government of India has approved the mining lease for coal in respect of 4 project proponents, I remember 3 types of feelings linger inside my mind, and I want to share these feelings here with you all. Perhaps many of us have the same feelings as we reflect and ponder when we look back prior to the year 2014, then the challenges we have undergone in the last 9-10 years, and as we sit here today, we look forward. The first feeling is the feeling of joy. It gives me immense joy as I remember in those days, in the year 1990s, that time I was still in college. I am from a village in the present West Khasi Hills district. Many people in the 1990s depend their livelihood directly and from other related activities arising of the coal trade. I can say my brother can afford to support for my higher education outside the state because of the income generated from the coal-related activities. And as the Deputy Commissioner, I'm very happy to think that very soon from this scientific mining will generate employment that will change, that will transform the lives of many people in our state. The second feeling is a feeling, a kind of relief. I was the district magistrate in West Khasi Hills district and now in West Khasi Hills districts. I can understand the stress, the tensions, the pressure, particularly for the district administration and the police. Vikram is here, SP of West Khasi Hills. We have all those pressures, the tension in dealing with this very complex and sensitive issue as coal mining. This is a good news to us, for the administration, and I believe for the police, that once scientific mining is implemented, then the process of mining and as well as conversion will be in accordance with the provision of law. Similarly, I can understand the difficulties being faced by the coal miners and the transporters. It is therefore a big relief to know that very soon scientific mining will again start in our state. The third feeling is a mixture of joy and relief. This culminated into a kind of feeling of celebration. The celebration for this significant achievement of the government and the people of the state. I believe it is the feeling of joy and relief that we have this celebration program here this afternoon. However, here I would like also to give a note of caution and also to take this opportunity to seek the expression of an appeal to all stakeholders. Yes, we have suffered and waited for almost a decade now. And now I humbly request each one of us to bear for little more time till the final clearance to operate is given by the competent authority. Peranong sang bait kene-kene kasni sa jingken mau kasni kebakemen bantip baka sokar pedeng kalau approve yaki sao kuli ki mining list for coal haga state kajengi kene kubor kelapan kam pensting ya kajeng mot jeng perkhat akbadai bat kajeng ti bat khayei bean hakiniki por lalaino kasni ke ba ajkerman ba muslim shu kapor ban yos dangti bat khayei doyok kat kum kikendon jongkai kuntang ayewer bat kerpat bet ye paro ke badan berta banom kerki lai ban yasha sekato kadepor hadu pada pendap pendiangrot ya kijendon kam baro nama ladangi kerki naiki kumle tam lese kala ban bu ching bat long mau jing khot ban petulun yakikam. In conclusion, I sincerely thank the government of Maclear under the able and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Konrad K. Sangma for working tirelessly to address the issue and meet the aspiration of the people of our state. I congratulate the project proponents Sri Tailang Pede and Sri Shining Star Kadusau. Thank you, Kublai Itala.